Hey guys, so today I'm here and I got my Boxycharm. I'm so excited. This month looks so promising. Just super pumped. This is the Galaxy Glow edition, and I was unsure because I saw some mixed reviews on this month's box. So far I'm very content with mine. And another thing too is I did get a Cover FX coupon code. And if you want 20% off of coverfx.com, it's just FX Charm. So just as a heads up, you can use that. It expires 3/15/2018. So, thing in the box, this is a Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil. And this is $21. That's actually really expensive for just a average Joe kind of pencil shaped eyeliner. So that is the first thing. It's in black. I'm not mad about this. I actually need a new black pencil liner. One of the things I was so excited for this month is some crown brushes. I absolutely love crown brushes. I think they're just amazing. This is the trio brush set, and this retails for $30. So, pretty expensive. Ooh, and I like them. I love how they're white, and they got like kind of like the pink tips. They kind of remind me of the look of the Wet n Wild brushes, but they feel super soft. I really like the shape of this one. Maybe to like either set my concealer or even like blend it out. I don't know. I really love the shape of this one. I love the shape of this one too. I feel like it could be good for contour, bronzer, maybe blush, or to even get underneath the eye because it's got that pointed tip there. Really pretty too. I feel like you can use this as an eyeshadow again, maybe to, you know, set concealer. Really nice brushes. Really love crown brushes. I love getting brushes in subscriptions. I just find them to be so helpful. Next up is this Bellapierre Cosmetics. This is a Cosmic Glitter for $15, and this is really pretty. It's like this gorgeous like purple, and I'm super pumped because recently I did place an order for something. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet, but this purple glitter would go perfect. And I've gotten other Bellapierre products, I believe, in Boxycharm, and I'm pretty sure I liked it. I don't remember what it was. I think it was like maybe like blush or something. I'm not sure, but super excited. This looks very beautiful and very promising, and I don't really have glitters or anything like this, so to me, I'm excited. Next is a Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this is for $28 this retails for. This I'm excited for. It looks so pretty. Ooh, it's in the shade Amethyst, and it says you can put it anywhere where you want to glow. I think I'm going to use it as a liquid eyeshadow. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, it almost feels cooling. Look at how pretty that is. I was not expecting it to be that bright like that. For some reason I thought, if you look at it in the tube, I thought it was going to be like a light flush of color. That's beautiful. I'm totally going to use that for some eyeshadow. It'd be so pretty. Last but not least is this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette, which retails for $39.99. So pretty much 40 bucks. Love the packaging here. It's so pretty. At first I was unsure about this because I was like, I'm kind of sick of all this hollow stuff. But when I saw it though, I realized they're actually really pretty and wearable. And I wasn't sure because some of the holographic ones, look at that. Like especially, I don't know, I feel like on my skin, it'll be like just so pretty. Like they have that like holographic duochrominess, however without it being like too much, like even like the green, it's not like as bright of a green. It kind of just more has a reflective green. Like, I don't know, hopefully that's picking up, but like they're all really wearable. And I might use some of these, like, oh, this yellow. I don't know why I really like the yellow. Especially on my skin, I feel like it's really pretty. I feel like this would be really pretty as some eyeshadows too. So, especially if you had like a dark eyeshadow and you put that on top of it like wet, I feel like that could be really cool. But I was actually really excited about this actually when I got it, because at first I wasn't sure if I was going to like that. But look at how pretty they are. Like, they're actually like a wearable, like holographic. Well, I would call that duochrome, not holographic. To me, that's a duochrome. But, totally excited for this. Really happy. This month's box, again, thought it was amazing. My Ipsy was great, and so was my Boxy. The highlighting palette, you know, the Cover FX, a Bellapierre. Did I say how much this was? This retails for $15. I'm not sure if I said it. If I did, I'm sorry. An eyeliner. And then of course the 3 brushes. I think this was a great box this month. I really loved mine and I'm super excited. So I hope you guys like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. You guys can see me do more Boxycharm unboxings as well as Ipsy. I do reviews and tutorials as well. Alright, thank you guys so much. Bye.